Dive into the world of DIY electronics at Hobby Electro Lab. Discover Arduino-powered projects, safety innovations, PIR sensors, motion sensor marvels, and flashing LED light projects. Join us on an exciting journey where creativity meets technology. Simple explanations and tutorials. Our channel is dedicated to making complex concepts easy to understand, offering step-by-step tutorials and engaging experiments. Electrifying adventure awaits. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced tinkerer, our electrifying content has something for everyone. Join our exciting journey. Join us as we embark on a journey through the exciting world of electronics, catering to hobbyists, students, and engineers alike.